Hi, Carrie. This is Vince Curie. I don't have a PE1900. I'm sorry. I don't have an SE1900. I got the PE800. And my dealer Lisa told me the software in the SE1900 and the software in the PE800 is the same. So the machine's off right now. And I would suggest putting the embroidery hoop on. Being that I don't have the combo. This is not the combo. The software is the same inside, which I want to show you. So you put your embroidery hoop on. You put in your hoop, the 5x7 hoop, with the insert. You tighten up your thumb screw so it's tight. Then you put in the purple. When I say purple, you might have a box with the green and a purple insert. Put the purple in, and you make sure that it's into the notches. There's 4 notches. The clear plastic has a notch, and there's a raised portion in the hoop. The next thing you do is you hold these 2 in, all the way in, and then you turn on your machine. Now, I'm going to pause this, being that I can't grow a third arm. I'm going to pause this. Okay, that being done, now the hoop's going to move, and you press this. You make sure the hoop is clear to move. That includes things behind it. Okay? All right, and that brings the needle right over that hole. And I'm going to turn the hand wheel towards you, and the needle is going to go down into the hole. Okay? All right. Now, the fact that I don't have a sewing machine, on yours this may be active. 3-point needle drop. And on my machine it does nothing. See? These do nothing. All right. Hit to go back. All right. Now, this particular one here, you see when I say the software is the same, embroidery machine only does not have feed dogs. But the software is similar to the SE1900. You hit this. Now, my needle drops into the hole at left and right -4. See? And up and down 0, 0 to drop that in the hole. I have a friend that has a PE800, and when she was doing the test on her machine, her reading was different than mine to get the needle to drop into the hole left and up and down. Okay, so you would write this down, and then of course you could slew this, and you're going to see it's going to move. Hey, you see? You see? That's off. Could be yours is off like that now. So, to get it to go over, you would do this one. I'm going to be tapping this. All right, that's -4. And there we go. So that could be your problem. That's all I could suggest. And then you turn the machine off. All right. When you turn it on, it goes back to the normal mode. And you know, if you click this, and then it's going to move and it would drop in the same spot. Okay? So that's all I can help you with. Vince Acuri, thank you for watching.